Hey guys, Renee here from Happily Ever Hanks. Let's take you through a tour of this beautiful fifth wheel by Grand Design RV. It's a 2022 Solitude S-Class 3950BH. The length on this bad boy is 40 feet 4 inches with a dry weight of 14,054 pounds. The 101-inch wide-body drop frame chassis is what makes this rig feel so much larger than other fifth wheels. With 4 slide-outs, this rig will easily sleep at least 7 people, so perfect for a large family or having that extra space for guests. Kicking it right off with the exterior, you'll find 2 30-pound propane tanks that are easy to access on both sides. Next to that, we have a large storage bay that extends all the way through. Look at how much room is in here. Plenty of space for all of your outdoor gear. In the front is more room for storage. The wide body drop frame chassis really helps with providing that extra space in here. Let's make our way around to see some other features. In here, you'll find easy access to the hookups for water, cable, there's an outdoor shower, and some extra 110 outlets. Since this rig has 2 full baths, you'll find one set of the valves for the black and gray tanks in here, and the other set below the rig. This unit comes with a 6-point electric auto leveling system to make setting up super quick and easy. As we make our way to the back, you'll notice a unique rear entry door that leads into a second full bath. Before we go inside, you have to check out the best part of the exterior. Boom! A huge outdoor kitchen. That way you could focus on being outside more with the whole family. Look at everything that is in here. A beverage cooler, a pull-out griddle, tons of storage. There's even hookups to add an outdoor TV if you want. We are almost finished with the outside, but you gotta see this first. Besides the heavy-duty 17.5-inch H-rated tires, this rig comes with the MORryde CRE 3000 suspension system. Yes, it's already installed. One more thing on the exterior to mention is these solid step quad entry steps for both entryways. Alright, let's finally go check out the inside. Right away, you'll notice the beautiful kitchen island with the built-in stainless steel sink. Look how large this main room is with the opposing slide-outs and wide-body frame. The lighting and hardwood cabinets really give it a high-end residential look in here. The freestanding dinette also gives it that residential look. And next to that, comfortable theater seating. Look a little closer and the theater seats have heat, massage, and a USB connection for keeping those devices charged while you relax. Another option for this area is the Super Sofa trifold bed that can fit the entire family. It comes with 2 removable tables and the ability to turn into a fold-out bed if needed. Right across from the living room, we have a large LED TV and an electric fireplace. A lot of great features in this kitchen, but I'm gonna show you my personal favorite first. Oh yeah, the pantry. You can never go wrong with having an oversized pantry. Right next to the pantry is what I like to call the coffee bar area. Tons of storage and counter space. And below is where you'll find the connections for a washer dryer. Some features in the kitchen include a built-in oven, 3-burner stovetop, and a convection microwave. The refrigerator in this model is a Norcold 12 cubic foot 4-door refrigerator and freezer, but you can also find some models with residential refrigerators installed. Plenty of options out there. Alright, heading upstairs now. Immediately to your left is the main bathroom. Residential-like faucet, porcelain toilet with a foot flush, so much space for linens and towels. Check out this huge shower. The deep sunken tub in the shower gives it so much extra space than most RV showers you'll find. Right past the bathroom is the master bedroom, and it's definitely spacious in here. Across from the bed is another TV, a dresser for clothing, and check this out. Holy closet space! No need to worry about getting rid of all your clothes if you plan to live in your RV. Before we make our way to the bunkhouse, we want to mention the Stealth 3+ AC with racetrack ducting in this model. It's more quiet than other AC units and still keeps the whole rig nice and cool. It's time to check out the bunkhouse. This area can easily sleep 5, but if you have small children, probably more. We have clothing storage for the young ones in here and a place for a TV, games, all that jazz. The couch folds out into a bed and it's a breeze to put together. Still, plenty of room in here with the bed completely unfolded. What I love about this bunkhouse model is the entire separate full bath with a private rear entry door. Yes, you heard that correctly. Another shower, porcelain toilet, and a sink so everyone has their own space to get ready. Also, you can designate this as the bathroom guests use when hanging out around the campsite. Then you don't have to worry about tracking dirt around the inside main entrance. If you are interested in seeing more Solitude fifth wheels by Grand Design, check out the tour of our home on wheels. It's a Solitude S-Class 2930 RL brought to you by Happily Ever Hanks. We also have other content you may be interested in if you are new to our channel and curious about the RV life. We'll see ya on the next one. Bye, guys!